Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you get Celestine inside of Subnautica 2. It's an important resource that you need to do things like build the depth module, which I currently don't have equipped, and you'll find it over here by the research station. That's over here by the Alien Ruins, at least that's what the game calls this area, is the Alien Ruins Research Station, which is about 1,250 meters away from the Lifepod, or 1,300 meters if you're like directly above it over here. And it's directly to the east of the Lifepod, across the big trench where the Collector Leviathan hangs out, and Celestine is a resource that spawns pretty much below the crush depth of the default Tadpole. So to find it, we're just going to go anywhere off to the side here, to the southeast or east of this big old spire thing, this alien spire, and we're going to head down as deep as we can using the Tadpole. And pretty much immediately when we go down here, you should start to find it. It's just kind of everywhere. And it looks like a cleaner version of quartz. So if we go down here basically to crush depth, I can already see a piece of it right now. So let's just get down to about here. And you can see it's literally right here. It just looks like a version of quartz with a bunch of tiny little spikes all over the place, as opposed to big ones. So if we scan that bad boy, it'll confirm that that is in fact Celestine, and then you can pop it with a sonic resonator in order to harvest it.
Protozoans die faster than their remains can dissolve into the seawater.
You can really easy farm a whole bunch of this stuff. It's literally everywhere. Depending on where you are, just be careful of the local wildlife. They are a little trigger happy in the most literal way possible, which means that they shoot spines at you. So go ahead and grab your Celestine. I would recommend when you go get some to go grab a whole bunch of it, because it's used for a lot of late game recipes, especially the more critical ones. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. The whole spawn location for this stuff tends to be anywhere to the east of the starter zone in this game. Anywhere past the Collector Leviathan. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for it. You won't find it in the deeper parts around the starter area. It's got to be in the dangerous waters in the mid to late part of the game. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.